Hi, Lee here. Welcome back to Grain-Free Insights. I am so excited to share with you the recipe that I have today. I've put together a recipe for buttermilk ranch dressing base. You can use it as a dried seasoning in recipes. One I have coming up soon, hopefully within the next week, for pot roast that is out of this world. I use it for company all the time. My family loves it. And you can use it to make buttermilk ranch dressing. I'm going to include all of that in the notes. I really hope you enjoy it. Now, here's what inspired me to do this recipe. We're all kind of used to this. Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, salad dressing, and recipe mix. I have to tell you, I loved this stuff. I used it successfully for years in recipes. My family loved it too. But then guess what? I decided I wanted to start using as many unprocessed foods as possible. I also wanted to make sure that the seasonings that I use are as easily digestible as possible. So this had to go away in my life. Let me just give you an idea of what the ingredients are in the Hidden Valley Ranch. I hope I can pronounce all of them. Um, Maltodextrin, buttermilk, salt, monosodium glutamate, which, as you probably know, is MSG, garlic, onion, lactic acid, calcium lactate, spices, citric acid, less than 1% of calcium stearate, artificial flavor, xanthan gum, carbomethyl cellulose, guar gum, and natural flavor. Now, there is a warning on the label that it also contains milk and soy. That would be an allergy warning. So this is a gluten-free product. But like I said, for those of us grain-free enthusiasts that like to eliminate processed foods, you might really appreciate having a homemade recipe that is just made from spices only. Full disclosure, the inspiration for this recipe came from an online spice company called Penzey's. I'll link to them as well. No paid endorsement, none of this. This is just my sharing what I know. Penzey's also has a buttermilk ranch dressing base that you can buy. The only thing is theirs contains sugar. It's very good if you don't feel like making your own from scratch, which is really pretty easy. But if you don't feel like doing that, you might want to get the Penzey's mix. Their ingredients are flake salt, bell peppers, garlic, onion, sugar, black pepper, minced parsley, thyme, and basil. And you're going to see that a lot of those spices are also included in my recipe, but without the sugar. The big trick was trying to get the recipe so all of the ingredients were just the right amounts. And I think I've done it. Please try it and give me your feedback. I deeply appreciate that. Or if you have any questions, let me know. I look forward to sharing future recipes with you and other grain-free tips. In the meantime, thank you so much for being here. I hope you'll subscribe so you don't miss a thing, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.